Hello students, so today we are going to learn how to make very beautiful hexagonal number patterns like the one that you are seeing over here. This pattern, this you will find in the number play chapter of the new NCERT maths textbook chapter 3. Okay, so I have already uploaded a video on several patterns including this. Today I am going to give you even more details, and this is the one that we are going to construct today. Okay, so this is what we are going to see, how to construct this hexagonal number pattern. Okay, and then after that we will go beyond and we will try to make some different type of patterns as well. So this is our aim for today. So let's start. So the first step is start with this particular hexagonal structure. Actually there are 7 hexagons in this, right? As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hexagons making a closed pack structure. So this is the step 1. Okay, in the second step what you have to do, yes, this is the second step. Take this particular hexagon and mark the number 15 at each of the edges, right? So basically what we want is, we want to make this the 15th block 15, where we will be having all the 15 numbers at the various edges, right? This is what you can see. Okay, so this is step 1. Next, step 2. In the step 2 we will do the same thing. So after 15 comes the next number. Remember, we have got 3 numbers, 15, 25 and 35. Okay, so this block was 15. Now this is the next block, 25. Again at the edges we draw this 25 numbers, as you can see. Okay, so see, this was the 15 block and now we have the 25 block. So this is step 3. So as you can imagine, the next step will be to make this block. So you see, we are moving like this. So we have started from this block, particularly this block, and we are moving slowly like this. Okay, so this is how we are moving, slowly increasing. Okay, so this was 15, next 25 block, and this one will be the 35 block. So let's make this. You see, so this is the 35 block. Okay, so let's make the 35 at all the various edges like this. Okay, so this is how the picture looks like. So we are in step 4, and the next step will be just, so we have started from 15, 25, 35. So the next step will be again, see, this is the next step, and the next step is like this. So 15, 25, 35, these 3 blocks, and we are slowly moving like this. Okay, so the next block will again start from 15, then again 25, and then 35. So this is how this block moves. So this is the 5th step. Okay, so now notice the how we are now going to start constructing the inner hexagon in the next step. So how do we do that? So basically you see the vertex, each of the vertex, you watch closely. So if this is the vertex, what I am going to do is the following. Since here is the 25 block, here is the 35 block, now we are going to write the number which is not there. So out of 15, 25 and 35, the number that is not present we will write on the inner side. See, so here it will be 15. Similarly, exactly opposite end, you see, here also this was 35 block, this was 25 block. So the inner number will be 25. So this was step 6. In the next step, see, we are going to concentrate on this particular edge over here, this edge. See, here it was 15, this was 35, so you have to write 25 over here since the numbers are already present. Again, this was 35 and this was 15 hexagon. By block I mean hexagon. So this is how you write. And in the 8th step, we are going to complete the inner hexagon. See, this is again 25 block, this one is 25, again this one is 15, right? So the number that is not there is 35 over here. Next, exactly opposite end, see here also 15 and 25. So this is how we have completed the inner hexagon, right? In the 8th step. Okay, in the 9th step, we are going to add these parallelograms on the edges to make the picture complete. Now, notice carefully. What we are going to do, we are going to do the same thing. See that we did previously. Here, this was 15 block, right? This was the 25 block. So, the junction here, it will have the number 35 on the inside. And so this is the 35 block. See over here? Yes. So this is the 35 block, and exactly opposite end is again the same thing is happening. So look at the junctions. See over here. This is how you can understand. So this one is 35 block. Again, this one is 35 block. And this one is 15 block, again 25 block, again 25 block, again 15 block. Okay, so this is step 10. And the other parallelograms you can also fill up like this. So this is how you fill. Look carefully. So this was 15, 35, so this must be 25 block. See, again over here 25 block. And in the 12th step, we have completed the entire structure. This is the completed structure. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to color the various blocks. See, 15 blocks color is green, 25 blocks is blue, and then somewhat different color for 35. But this one is a mixed color, sort of. A different color. Okay, so this is how we are making the structure. Look carefully. Okay, so this is how, and the outer numbers are reddish and the inner ones are also red, but the number color is not important. The box colors I have changed to give importance to the number. So the 25 block is this color. Okay, 15 block is green, and this one's for 35. Okay, now you see. So basically what we have is the 15 block, 25 block, 35 block. Again 15 block, 25 block, 35 block. See, and again 35, 15, so this one is 25 block. Again 15, 25, so this one is 35 block. 25, 35, so this one is 15 block. See, the same structure. 15, 25, so this one is 35 block. 25, 35, so this one is 15 block. So this is how the entire structure looks like. And here you can compare this with your NCERT textbook pattern. See, this is the pattern given in the textbook, and we have recreated the entire structure here. Okay, now you can go beyond and do some more play. Say for example, instead of 25 you can put X, and then instead of, and put another number, say Y for 10. Then 15 is basically x minus y and 35 is x plus y. Okay, so if that happens, then you can construct this graph, or you can construct this pattern like this. So this is your x everywhere, x, 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 x. Okay, next is what? Tell me. This is the 15. Watch carefully. So first is the 15. 15 is not x but x minus y. So we have to write carefully. Okay, students. So this is x minus y, 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 and next is 25 over here. So this is all x. See, the structure will be very different. And then we have got the number 35, which is basically x plus y, right? So we have got this x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. So you can construct the same type of pattern but using x and y. Okay, so let me write down the final structure. So you see, basically we start with the x minus y block, then x block, then again x plus y block, then after that x minus y block, again x block, then x plus y block. Okay, now you see this structure, x minus y, x plus y. So here will be x, again x minus y, x. So here will be x plus y. Next x, x plus y. So here will be x minus y. Next x minus y, x plus y. So here will be x. Again here will be x plus y. Next x, x plus y. So here will be x minus y. So see, this is yet another type of structure that we can generate. And here now you can, instead of x, you can put any number. Say for example, x is say 100, okay, and say y is suppose 30, okay. Then you can get the structure with x as 100, next x minus y, you get 70, and then x plus y, you get 130. Okay, so see, I'm just giving you an example.